Hello. So I'm at school. Um, there was just a little like meetup, and I've just deleted a bunch of stuff off my phone so I can vlog today because I'm out and about. I have two band-aids on my hands and I am ready to party. So I just like hung out with a professor and another student for a little bit at this little summertime school celebration thing. There's 100 days left until fall semester, so that's exciting. Um, but yeah, I think I'm gonna go on a walk and then I'm gonna get lunch. So I thought it would be fun to just do a casual, like, fun vibes vlog for the day to get me back into vlogging. I'm listening to the Shins right now, if anyone's curious. The Port of Morrow album. Just imagine that. I can't put that music in the video, unfortunately. So I'm just trying to find all of the flowers and make little video clips of them because I'm super excited about all of the spring flowers, and I'm getting all this inspiration. So I'm going to look, there's a muddy bog. Lit. I'm gonna try and find like a bench or some place to sit so I can get out my sketchbook and do some little drawings. I don't know how well the sound is going to pick up because there's a lot of noise, but I wanted to say I find it to be an interesting juxtaposition coming on this trail, and it's like a little escape from the everyday landscape, but it's constantly like you're seeing power lines and fences and signs and little glimpses of like factory buildings and stuff, and there's the constant sound of humans. So you can't really escape the fact that you're in the middle of a city. Like, there's just a fence and a power line, and there's no benches over this way. So I'm gonna head back, but hopefully my microphone is on this end. I forgot. It's been so long. But anyway, I just wanted to share that I think that's interesting. You can't really like come to this particular part of the trail and forget about the fact that you're a human living in a city, because it is very loud and you can hear sirens. So yeah, just the entwining of nature and city life. little flower petals. Look like candy corns. This little buddy. Wait. Hi. Got you one of these. Sorry. Here. It's for you. It's for you. Oop. Aww. If you come on the book, I can bring you to the nature. I just want to bring you to the grass, where little caterpillars belong. I think you'll like it better than pacing around the table. That was really nice. Got my water bottle, featuring arm bone and a little dino. There was like a parent and a child having a little picnic while I was drawing. It was so cute. But yeah, so I drew flowers because I was looking at flowers on the trail. Ooh woo. And now I'm going to go get my free meal at the hospital. So it's gonna be a good time. And then I have to like change into work clothes and stuff. So that's sad. That's sad. But this outfit I'm really vibing for. Let me just blow my nose real quick. I hope I wasn't like sniffling too much through that last clip because I forgot to take my allergy pill this morning and I'm just like out in nature. So anyway, even though I left the house like, or every morning that I'm gonna go to just out on the town before work, I'm like, I need to wear something that is easy to change in a public bathroom and like put into a bag. And then I had to go and be extra, so I brought a jar to put all my necklaces and my feathers in. So hopefully that works. And hopefully I can find an actual, like, bigger bathroom in my place of work, because I only know of one, and it is small. So, anyway, enough of pointless jibber-jabber about my clothes. Let's go get some lunch. I know that, seeing patriotic propaganda in America is like breathing air. It's everywhere. It's natural. But when you take a second to notice it, it's like, oh my God. I just passed like several billboards, about joining the military and praying for our troops and just a lot of that stuff. And as I'm thinking about them, I'm like, oh wow, Like the way that they're using like the visuals and the fonts and everything from an artistic perspective to like really like strike a certain feeling and all that stuff, you know, propaganda things. And then I like look over and there's this guy walking down the side of the highway holding a full-size American flag, just like flying it over his shoulder. Um, and that's on Tennessee. So I'm gonna get my food now, finally. Or just some vegetables. My dad also works nearby, so I'm gonna go up to his office and see him for a bit. So that should be fun. Oh yeah. All right, I'm switched into my work clothes. Making sure there's no one in that car. Just hello. I switched into my work clothes. Aside from this, I'm gonna be wearing my work shirt over it, so it doesn't matter. Nobody will know I have this vibin' protest shirt on underneath. Um, but yeah, I got to hang out with my dad, and that was really fun. We talked about some new projects. Like, he's got some fun projects going on. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna chill in my car, probably open up the windows, pop on some music, and continue my little doodling until I go into work. So, wholesome day vibes. So that was my day. It's clearly now another day. I'm just editing and realizing that I never made an outro or anything. I just went to work. That little dangly feet thing was while I was on my break, and I went to sit outside. And then I went home and probably had some delicious, quickly made food and got all comfy and went to bed. So, like, that's vibes. It was a really nice day, and I'm super excited to share this video and make some more videos because I have a couple of plans. And I was like, I need to finish this one. It's been like, it's a month later. But I have some new videos that are in the plans, and I'm going to be filming them very soon. So thank you for coming with me on this little adventure, and I hope you join me again for the next one. Have a nice day.